Welcome to the Mastercars Pro channel. Today we will talk about the problems and weaknesses of this wonderful car. We're starting with the power units as usual. 5th generation Ford Explorer was equipped with gas engines only. Duratec Ti-VCT 3.5-liter non-turbo V6 with 249 to 295 horsepower and turbocharged 2-liter with 240 horsepower and 3.5-liter with 345 horsepower engines of EcoBoost family. Major amount of used Explorers use non-turbo engine that has good dynamics and resource. Timing mechanism is chained and pretty solid. The only part to replace at 100,000 km is chain tensioner unit. Metal sounds in timing gears section will indicate it. This engine can easily work on 91 octane gas, but the fuel system is sensitive to fuel quality. Lambda sensor can cause check engine appear if refueled with low quality gas. That icon also appears when injectors or throttle body get dirty. Cleaning helps. Water pump in latest cars is driven by a timing chain, not by special belt as it was earlier. On one side it reduces service cost, on the other, water pump upset will cause heavy valve train damage by the piston group. Water pump gives up at 100 to 150,000 km. Cold temperatures may cause idle RPM increase, returning to normal after engine restart. EEPROM clear can help, but problem will still remain next cold weather operation. Coolant leakages occurred on cars assembled in Russia. The reason is low clamping joint quality. Left engine mount can fail in several cases. Ignition coils and spark plugs can cause misfires if not replaced in time. Engine is pretty solid and starts causing troubles only at 300 to 350,000 km. All 5th generation Explorers were equipped with 6-speed auto transmission with manual operation mode. It is rather rigid and can stand 250,000 km of driving without major issues. Transmission kicks and shifting delays can be fixed by software update. Software is adaptive and starts comfortable operation after several traffic jams. Gearbox seals can have some leakages. AllWheel Drive system can, however, cause some troubles, especially off-road. Transfer case often needs replacement at 50,000 km. Major oil leakages occur through its seals, so the components will become friction-worn pretty quickly. Excessive or not enough amount of oil in transfer case are common for Russian assembly. Full throttle driving is also bad for it, so transfer case becomes source of scary sounds. Transfer case oil should be replaced every 30 to 40,000 km to increase part lifetime. All-wheel drive electric chains are the place for upsets to occur. All-wheel drive's malfunction indicator appears and models are not switched. Engine restart helps in major cases. Haldex clutch is reliable enough. It is overheat protected on software level and turns off if temperature becomes high. Suspension has some weaknesses. Anti-roll bar links need replacement every 20 to 30,000 km. Shock absorber mounts have about 50,000 km of lifetime. Anti-roll bar mounts can last for 60,000 km. Mounts are replaced in assembly with torsion bar, so it's rather expensive, about 150 to 200 euros. Front shock absorbers, ball joints in assembly with wishbones, and wheel bearings die at approximately 100 to 120,000 km. Other spares last for 150 of kilometrage. Steering rack and EPS are applied in steering system. Rack and steering links are pretty bad and last for 30 to 50,000 km. Low quality seal clamps make it easy for abrasives and water to get into rack mechanism. Parking assistant electronics upsets are common. Rack replacement is hell of a money, about 1000 euros. Original seal clamps can be replaced on high quality analog parts to increase rack lifetime. Move rubber seals to see rack condition. If there is corrosion under them, prepare yourself to rack replacement. Technically, Ford Explorer brake system is okay, but is not designed for such a heavy car, and brake discs are easily overheated. Interior materials assembly and front seats filler are pretty weak, so interior loses its condition in 2 to 3 years of use. Low-quality leather causes breaches and friction wear of seats, arm supports and steering wheel. Electrics are also problematic. Sensor display on the front panel has poor response time. Electric-driven panorama roof cover is not durable because of poor lubrication. Climate control throttles often lose operability. They are cheap, but their replacement requires major interior disassembly. Rear view camera electrics are easily oxidized, camera replacement needs software changes. Plenty of the car's AI system can also fail. Luckily, their functionality can be restored by turning ignition off for several seconds. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that will help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.